China stands as an unparalleled titan in the realm of global manufacturing. Its factories churn out an astounding array of products, from smartphones and computers to automobiles and apparel, supplying the world with an endless stream of goods. This extraordinary manufacturing prowess did not emerge overnight. It is the culmination of decades of strategic planning, relentless effort, and unwavering government support. China's journey to becoming the world's factory is a testament to its ambition, resilience, and unwavering focus on economic dominance. This essay delves into the remarkable rise of China's manufacturing sector, exploring the key factors that have propelled its ascent. We will examine the pivotal reforms that laid the foundation for its success, the competitive advantages that have cemented its position as a manufacturing powerhouse, and the challenges it faces in maintaining its dominance. Finally, we will look ahead to the future of Chinese manufacturing, analyzing its potential to shape the global industrial landscape for decades to come. The roots of China's manufacturing miracle can be traced back to 1978, when Deng Xiaoping, the visionary leader of the Communist Party, initiated a series of transformative economic reforms. These reforms marked a decisive shift from the centrally planned economy of the Mao Zedong era towards a more market-oriented system. Deng recognized that for China to prosper, it needed to embrace globalization and attract foreign investment. One of the most significant reforms was the establishment of special economic zones in coastal cities like Shenzhen, Zhuhai, and Xiamen. These SEZs offered foreign investors tax breaks, streamlined regulations, and access to a vast pool of low-cost labor. They became magnets for multinational corporations eager to tap into China's manufacturing potential. The Chinese government also made substantial investments in infrastructure, building new roads, railways, ports, and airports to facilitate the movement of goods and people. These investments created a more conducive environment for businesses and helped to connect China's manufacturing hubs with global markets. The stage was set for China's meteoric rise as a manufacturing powerhouse. Several factors converged to propel China's rapid ascent in manufacturing. One key advantage was its abundance of cheap labor. With a population exceeding 1 billion, China had a seemingly inexhaustible supply of workers willing to toil for long hours at low wages. This cost advantage proved irresistible to foreign companies seeking to lower production costs and increase their competitiveness. Furthermore, China's vast domestic market provided a ready-made customer base for its manufactured goods. As incomes rose, so too did consumer spending, creating a virtuous cycle of growth for Chinese manufacturers. The government's unwavering commitment to industrial development, coupled with its willingness to provide subsidies and other forms of support, further fueled the expansion of the manufacturing sector. Moreover, China's strategic location at the heart of East Asia gave it a logistical advantage in global trade. Its proximity to other major economies like Japan, South Korea, and the ASEAN nations made it an ideal hub for regional and global supply chains. As China's manufacturing prowess grew, so too did its influence over these supply chains, further solidifying its position as the world's factory. By the early 21st century, China had firmly established itself as the world's factory. Its manufacturing sector had achieved an unprecedented scale and sophistication, producing a staggering volume and variety of products. This dominance was built on several key pillars, including economies of scale, favorable government policies, massive foreign direct investment, highly developed supply chains, and rapid technological advancements. China's economies of scale enabled it to produce goods at incredibly low costs. Its vast manufacturing base and efficient production processes allowed companies to spread their fixed costs over a larger output, resulting in lower per-unit costs. This cost advantage was a major draw for multinational corporations, which flocked to China to set up manufacturing operations. The Chinese government played a proactive role in fostering the growth of its manufacturing sector. It implemented policies designed to attract foreign investment, promote exports, and protect domestic industries. The government also invested heavily in research and development, seeking to move Chinese manufacturing up the value chain and into more sophisticated industries. Section 5. Navigating headwinds. Challenges to China's dominance. Despite its undeniable success, China's manufacturing sector faces a number of challenges that threaten its continued dominance. One significant headwind is rising labor costs. As China's economy has grown, so too have wages, eroding its labor cost advantage. This has led some companies to look to other low-cost manufacturing destinations, such as Vietnam, Bangladesh, and Mexico. Another challenge is the ongoing trade war between China and the United States. The tariffs imposed by both countries have disrupted global supply chains and increased costs for businesses. This trade tension has created uncertainty and prompted some companies to diversify their manufacturing operations away from China. The China Plus One strategy, adopted by many multinational corporations, poses another challenge. This strategy involves diversifying manufacturing operations to include at least one country outside of China. By spreading their risks, companies aim to mitigate the impact of potential disruptions in China, such as political instability, natural disasters, or future pandemics. Section 6. The Automation Revolution, Reshaping China's Workforce. In response to rising labor costs and the need to boost productivity, China has embarked on an ambitious automation drive. The country is investing heavily in robotics, artificial intelligence, and other advanced technologies to automate its factories and reduce its reliance on human labor. This automation revolution is transforming the Chinese workforce, creating new opportunities in high-skilled sectors while displacing workers in low-skilled jobs. The Chinese government recognizes the importance of upskilling its workforce to adapt to this changing landscape. It is investing in education and training programs to equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. The transition will be challenging, but China's commitment to automation is essential for maintaining its manufacturing competitiveness in the long term. Section 7. Made in China 2025. A blueprint for technological supremacy. China's ambitions extend far beyond maintaining its current position as the world's factory. The country has set its sights on becoming a global leader in advanced manufacturing and technological innovation. The Made in China 2025 initiative, launched in 2015, outlines a strategic roadmap for achieving this goal. The initiative targets 10 key sectors, including robotics, aerospace engineering, new energy vehicles, and biotechnology, with the aim of transforming China from a low-cost manufacturer to a high-tech innovator. It calls for increased investment in research and development, the development of indigenous intellectual property, and the cultivation of a skilled workforce capable of competing in these cutting-edge industries. Section 8. The Green Giant: China's Leadership in Sustainable Manufacturing. As the world grapples with the urgent need to address climate change, China is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable manufacturing. The country is investing heavily in renewable energy, electric vehicles, and green technologies, aiming to reduce its environmental footprint while creating new growth industries. China is already the world's largest producer of solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles. Its dominance in these sectors is only expected to grow in the coming years, as the global demand for clean energy technologies continues to surge. China's focus on sustainable manufacturing not only aligns with its environmental goals, but also enhances its competitiveness in a world increasingly focused on sustainability. Chapter 9. Conclusion. China's enduring manufacturing dynasty. China's journey to becoming the world's manufacturing superpower is a testament to its strategic vision, unwavering determination, and ability to adapt to changing global dynamics. From the transformative reforms of Deng Xiaoping to the embrace of automation and sustainable manufacturing, China has consistently demonstrated its commitment to maintaining its position at the forefront of the global industrial landscape. While challenges remain, including rising labor costs, trade tensions, and the need to upskill its workforce, China's manufacturing sector is well positioned for continued success. Its vast scale, sophisticated supply chains, technological advancements, and commitment to innovation provide a solid foundation for future growth. As the world emerges from the COVID-19 pandemic, China's manufacturing prowess will be more important than ever in driving global economic recovery and shaping the future of industry. The question remains, can any nation challenge China's manufacturing dominance in the years to come? Or will the Middle Kingdom continue to reign supreme as the world's factory for generations to come? If you like this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe.